Do you want to make instant $27 commissions over and over again? If so, check out the automated Cash App system. Link below.
What's up? Welcome to FUIME TV. It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and I'm still cold because I shoot multi-videos, so I still got this black sweatshirt on because I'm cold. But in this video, I do want to talk about all the YouTubers going bananas right now because of this COPPA. Anyway, COPPA is like it's the Children's Online Protection Privacy Act, or Privacy Protection, one of them, but Children Online blah blah blah. It's a big deal because it basically is pretty much punishing anybody who's making like child-friendly content, or basically anything that appeals to kids. I guess they're basically demonetizing. YouTube is doing that. They're going to be drastically demonetizing videos. They're going to be like pretty much hiding anything that appeals to individuals under, I'm scared to even say children or kids. I'm scared. But they talk about basically hiding, the content like that, which is crazy because a lot of YouTubers are making a decent salary, pretty much decent income, just by creating friendly, nice, funny, videos. And now all of a sudden they're saying after January 1st that it's going to be some drastic changes. So a lot of YouTubers are like, yo, this is crazy. Like, what am I supposed to do? And it just really don't make sense to me. Now, this started from the government because the government actually sued YouTube because like YouTube was collecting, under 13-year-old kids like information and serving ads to them. First of all, YouTube, that's your fault. Let's be real. Okay. And now they're just making it where it's going to be very, very difficult for people who do friendly content, or anything that appeals to people under the age of 13. They're going to like basically kind of punish you, right? So I think that's just crazy because the government, YouTube, all this, they're saying that if you're making content that appeals to youth under the age of 13, you said I keep switching my verbiage. If you make any of that, you're going to be hurt. But here's the thing, like, what about these the multi-million, billion-dollar companies? You telling me they're not going to be playing or uploading any content that appeals to the youth? Is that what you're saying? And if so, they're not gonna profit off of it. Like none of these, because they're saying COPPA is like, yo, you can't have no child or youth celebrities that appeal to the young people. Yeah, young people. You can't create any content that appeals or to young people, right? So that to me is just like, I don't know. It's like they're trying to get rid of a lot of people or something like that. Because a lot of YouTubers, they're like, yo, I'm out. I'm sick of this. I'm out. I'm done. And then the same YouTubers have been still uploading videos, but whatever, they say they done. But I don't know. I think it is unfair. I ain't gonna lie. I think YouTube should come up with something a little better. Like another YouTuber said, why I gotta be all on the YouTubers, right? Why they already got age restrictions and stuff like that. Like you punishing these YouTubers for creating friendly stuff, right? You're punishing them, but yet the same kids will still go on YouTube and find the violence and nudity and all this, whatever. The kids go still see it. So I really don't get what exactly is that supposed to do as far as ads and stuff like that. I don't know. It just look a little suspect, especially if these multi-million-dollar, billion-dollar companies are still going to be putting content up, and they're going to be profiting from still uploading content that appeals to the youth. I guarantee it, right? So hopefully this changes because I know a lot of YouTubers are signing petitions, you know, against like the government. They're trying to work with the government and trying to like create new laws to make it where they still can monetize their content and still make, you know, make a living, because a lot of these YouTubers, they're making a living off of doing this. And now all of a sudden somebody's coming and saying, listen, your content's a little too clean, so we gonna have to, you know, your stuff appeals to the youth. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think that's crazy. Hopefully, you know, they work something out, because it's just dumb right now. I think before YouTube had, a couple years ago, they had the YouTube thing where they were saying all the videos were too violent, and anybody who was saying negative stuff or anything like that or wasn't friendly, they was getting channels, you know, demonetized and stuff. Now it went the other way, and they say, yo, your stuff too friendly, you gotta go. So I don't know. That's my take on it. But comment below. Let me know what you think about COPPA, and should YouTubers, you know, fight back, or should YouTubers just walk? Let me know what you think. Peace.
I let the chain hang, yeah, I'm tattered up, and I love to cuss, I just don't give a See, I'm just doing me, and you should do you. Yeah, I hear you talking, that's just your point of view. And see, I just don't care, I be like, yeah, I done heard it all, damn, there's haters everywhere, and they keep me motivated.